Hello and welcome to Sunday's edition of Matt Slam 13. Being a Sunday, it's a random day. What's more random than a 2.5 foot tall Superman stood behind me? I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah, basically going to be looking at some video footage of the roller coaster expedition Everest Disneyland, Florida. Sorry, Disney World, Florida, that we went to a couple of years back. Filmed on the GoPro Hero 4 Silver Edition. That one there. Thank you, Mickey. Yeah, it's a bit of footage of the ride itself. I apologise if the footage isn't perfect, but it was my first experience using that type of camera. I'm sure when we go again in the future that I will be able to make it a lot better. But yeah, Expedition Everest, Florida was the dearest roller coaster in the world, apparently at one stage. Cost £100 million to make back in 2006. But I'll put some information on the ride itself in a minute, and there'll be a clip come up for you. So yeah, here's the footage. Take a look. Subscribe, comment down below if you've been on it or experienced it, or any information you have on it. Yeah, go from there. Watch this. Yeah, so there we go. Expedition Everest at Disney World, Florida. brilliant ride. I think I won it 3 times whilst we was there. Definitely recommend it. Yeah, so comment down below if you've been on it or going on it, or information that you might want to share about the ride itself. Just do it down below. Yeah, so there's a little pin badge as well on that one there. Got a few on there actually. So when we go again, do some trading, get some more. So from me, Mickey and 2.5 foot Superman, see you Wednesday hopefully for a wrestling show.